Danke bafethu. So uVuyo Mary usebenzela i-TS Galaxy, uresignile ku-TS Galaxy ukuthi manje uyojoyina iBloemfontein Celtic, yabo. Njengoba iBloemfontein Celtic kunama-reports ukuthi izothenga iSuperSport United, but naku la kuba tricky khona manje ukuthi iSuperSport United njengoba izinto zihamba kanje kubonakala ngathi izoya ku-relegation playoffs unless bayewina i-last game yabo of the season le abazoyidlala, yabo. So makungenzeka iSuperSport iye kuma-playoffs bayishaye kuma-playoffs i-relegate okusho ukuthi iBloemfontein ngeke isabuye because ngeke bathenge i-status eseku-National First Division noma kuMtsippes Foundation. Kusho ukuthi uVuyo Mere wenze iphutha lokuthi a-resign ecabanga ukuthi already i-deal sealed, already iSuperSport United izo-survive because ama-players weSuperSport United awabonisi i-energy yokuthi bafuna ukuseva i-team njengoba sebazi nabo ukuthi whether bayayiseva or abayisevi but imisebenzi yabo iphelile, yabo. So umuntu ongaba senkingeni la uVuyo Mere ukuthi already se-resignile emsebenzini wakhe, ucabanga ukuthi vele uzothola umsebenzi kuBloemfontein Celtic, but guess what-ke SuperSport United ama-players wakhona awana interest yokudlalela iSuperSport United, awana interest yokuwina ama-games, awana interest lutho. It's gonna be interesting ukubabona laphana kuma-playoffs if bazo-qualify for ama-playoffs noma if bayasinda noma bazo-qualify for ama-playoffs because i-energy yabo nje off, yabo. Ababonisi njengama-player afuna ukulwela i-team ukuthi ihlale, bayadlala nje ukugcina icala. I think nabo ba-disappointed ngoba vele i-team kuyaphela ngayo, but at the end of the day nama-player adlalela iy'mpilo zabo, yabo. Nanokuthi-ke phela baningi abantu abakubhekile if like awumisele ethimini ngoba ucabanga ukuthi i-team vele sokuphelile, i-problem yakho leyo ngoba wena uyazi-advertise by the time udlala kahle, whether i-team iyathengiswa or ayithengiswa, yabo. So for mina I think I'll feel bad for uVuyo Mere if kuyenzeka iSuperSport United bagcine sebayi-relegatile. uMere already se-resignile ku-TS Galaxy, yabo. It's very sad ukuthi into ezokwenzeka ukuthi uresigne just before izinto ziconfirm, but bekubonakala ngathi iSuperSport vele izo-survive lula, but-ke the way abadlala ngakhona hayi, yabona mabangadlala kanje mabangahluleka ukuwina i-last game yabo and then baya kuma-playoffs, bangalwi futhi nakuma-playoffs because ngempela abadlali njenge-team engasurvive nama-playoffs because kunzima kakhulu laphana kuma-playoffs. Manje mawubona ukuthi ama-team laphana kwaMtsippes Foundation a-invest imali engakanani ukuthi nje akwazi ukukhompyutha abe highly competitive, so ubona ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani ngoba iSuperSport United laphana ilwa neCape Town City ukuthi ubani ozofinisha ku-number 15 aye kuma-playoffs noma ubani ozofinisha ku-number 14 asurvive, yabo. As things stand asazi ukuthi kuzo-survive abantu ngoba iSuperSport United iye ku-number 15, Cape Town City ku-number 14, but iSuperSport United yona ukuthi ine-game in hand ngoba yona idlale 27 games, yabo. And then-ke yona iCape Town City seyiphelile isizini yabo because badlalile izolo badraw neStellenbosch, bekumele bayiwine leya match if bafuna ukuba ne-chance ukuthi mhlampe ukuthi iSuperSport ingabakheshi cause bona i-advantage yabo ukuthi bashaye iSuperSport ngelo no abayishaye ngingenzi iphutha, but yeah iSuperSport United ama-points enawo laphana ina 26 points, Cape Town City ina 27 points. So iCape Town City ifuna ukuthi iSuperSport njengoba iyodlala i-last game yayo idliwe ukuthi iCape Town City survive, then iSuperSport United ya kuma-playoffs. Bafisela inhlanhla bonke abalapha ku-relegation zone ukuthi izinto zibafave, nkosi yami, kuzoba nzima kakhulu, but-ke let's wait and see ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. Vuyo Mere ngabe uthathe i-decision e-right noma usheshile. Danko bafowethu.